My dear students, how are you? I believe that you are well by the grace of Allah. Nowadays, coronavirus are affected all over the world. Many people died and many more people are affected and many more are affecting day by day. So you are all conscious about it. No afraid, be aware of coronavirus. Everybody stay at home and safe. My dear student, at first I introduce myself. I am Muhammad Anarul Islam, assistant teacher English, Shampur, Secondary School, Dolutpur, Kushtia. I want to teach English class by online. The government of Bangladesh decided to take class by the online. So I shall try to teach English by the online, and everybody excuse me for my mistake. My dear student, now I shall write some sentence. My dear student, I am writing. Teacher said, "What are you doing?" The student said, "I am reading a novel." I can write another system. My dear student, look at the writing. Teacher said to the student, "What are you doing?" The student said to the teacher, "I am reading a novel." Do you know what chapter it is? I believe everybody knows that it is a narration chapter. So I shall discuss about narration. Everybody write down your khata. Main topics. Narration means ukti. My dear students, narration means narrating speech. Narration means narrating speech. The speech of speaker narrate to the others is called narration. Narration, two kinds of narration. One, direct narration to indirect narration. Direct narration, we can narrate what other person has said is called direct narration. Such as the teacher said to the students, what are you doing now? This is a direct narration. Indirect narration, we can change the speech in our own word, is called indirect narration. Such as the this is indirect narration. The teacher asked the student what he was doing then. My dear student, direct narration has two parts. Direct narration has two parts. One parts, another parts. It is called reporting verb. Reporting verb. That is called reported speech. Reported speech. Reporting verb means the work of speaker. Reporting verb means the work of speaker. Reported speech means the speech of worker. My dear student, reporting verb has some parts. One parts, two parts, and three parts. One subject, two verb, three object. My dear students, subject may be noun or pronoun. Here noun. Subject may be noun or pronoun. Object may be also noun or pronoun. Verb may be present tense, past tense or future tense. My dear students, reported speech also some parts. Here also subject, verb and object and adverbial. Here use subject or verb. Here no object but adverbial stay here. My dear students, we have to follow some rules to direct to indirect narration. At first, if reporting verb is present tense, or future tense, the tense of reported speech will not change. Number 2, if the reporting verb is past tense, the tense of reported verb also past tense. My dear students, we remember when you change the indirect, when you change direct to indirect, you should follow some rules. If the reported speech is assertive, reporting verb should be told instead of said. If the reported speech interrogative sentence asked instead of said. If the reported speech imperative if the reported speech imperative, advised, order, requested, proposed, according to meaning instead of said. If the reported speech optative, if the reported speech is optative, pray, wish, according to meaning instead of said. If the reported speech exclamatory sentence, if the reported speech is exclamatory sentence, reporting verb should be exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with sorrow, exclaimed with fear, and so on instead of said. My dear student, now I shall some another rules. I shall advise you some another rules. Remember, reporting verb if the reporting verb is present or future tense, reported speech will not change. My dear students, no more today. I shall teach you another session for tomorrow. Everybody is safe home. May Allah bless you. Thank you all. Assalam.